Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Blast. So today I'm gonna make some cards and I'll show you how I make this type of cards. It's super easy, trust me. If you want to make any card for anyone, you can do it this way. Trust me, again, it's very easy. Okay, now let me show you step by step. Now you need a design. You can also get it anywhere. If you are not selling that, you can also get any type of a design from online. I mean, just search in Google and just choose the design you like. Whatever message you want to add, you can also do that. But I'll show you a very easy way because what I have here, this is my design because I also sell this. So let's start. So let's see what materials I'm gonna use today. And this is very quick and easy way to make this card. You can also print it if you like, but I like to do it this way. It just makes it more, you know, personalized. So here is what I'm gonna use. You can use any size of the card you like. I'm using 4" by 5.5". Is the smaller card. I got this from Hobby Lobby. You can get it from any store. So let me grab one card. Okay, and also an envelope. And I'm also gonna use a cardstock. Let me show you. Now, if you are here new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you do, if you really enjoy. And here is the cardstock I'm gonna use. So it's right here. It's just a regular 8.5" by 11" paper. It's just kind of little thicker paper. You can use any type of paper you wanna use. You can just use maybe regular paper too. Why not, right? So I'm gonna use this. And I'll show you how I print this one out. I mean, how I make the design on using just a word. So let me show you that first. Okay, so I do it all right here on my iPad. You can also use a computer or whatever device you have. Now, if you have the Word document, I mean, you can also use that. If you don't have that, you can also go to Google Docs and it's free, so you can also use that. Now I already have this design already saved in my computer, I mean on my laptop. I'm sorry, my iPad, come on. Okay, now what I like to do is I just try to leave, like, you know, less space as possible on the edges. Okay, so here I am gonna insert this table here. So I'm just gonna pick 4 here. So this is how I'm gonna put them. Now I like to leave at least couple of space. I just leave a little space. Now I'm gonna insert the image. Now I already saved an image to my computer, the design that I already made. Again, you can also use any design you like to use here. Okay, I'm just gonna make the size of this image slightly little bit small. Now in total, the size I have of this box is about 3.99 by 4.99. So obviously the size of this image is slightly little bit smaller than that. So I choose about like a 3 by 4. Okay, now I'm gonna add the whatever message you want to add here. I'm just gonna add thank you. So let me do that. And you can pick any font you like. I'm just gonna pick just very random here, and whatever size you want to make this font, make sure it's in the center. And after I'm done with this, I'm just gonna hide that table lines, so you can also hide that. And then we are almost done. So I'm just trying to pick the font. It's just hard for me to pick the font sometimes. So I just pick just very random font here, and then I also leave a little bit of space on top of that area. Now the box, or the size of this box, is again 3.99 and height is 4.99. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste this on all of these boxes, and here it is done. Now again, I already hide the lines of that table, and this is how it's gonna look like. I mean, you can keep it if you like, if for the reference to cut the lines, but
I just already know because I did this so many times, so I already had the line. And yeah, so let's start cutting this, and I'm gonna start putting that on my card.
Okay, so now that I printed and I also cut this, so what I did is it was here. I just used my scissor and just cut the line. Okay, so now I was able to fit 4 on one page. So 2 here, 2 here. So let me start putting this on my card. So here is my card, and I like to make this bumpy kind of a thing right here inside, so I'm gonna fold it this way. Okay, all right, now my card is gonna, this printed paper is gonna go right here like this. Now it's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, trust me. As long as you make something for someone, that is the best thing, the best gift you can give to someone. So let me just apply a little bit of glue in the back. I'm just using just a regular school glue. Okay, and you know what? I like to cover the bottom because I don't want to make a lot of mess in here. So, okay, I'm just gonna use this piece of scrap, and I'm just gonna apply it on the edges. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my card and I'm just gonna try to find the center. I think that's better. And then I'm just gonna press it. Now what I like to do after I do this is I like to put some weight on this, maybe like a books or something. So what I like to do is I just take my card, put it flat like that, and then I'm just gonna put some weight. So I'm just gonna use my cardstock, and there you go. And I'm gonna leave it like this for maybe about like 5 minutes, and it should be fine. Okay, let me do that for my second card. Let me put that in here. Let me do my second card now. Let me show one more time. Let me grab another card. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use this one. Just apply a little bit of glue. Mostly on the edges, I like to do that first. Okay. And then on my card. Make sure you press it a little bit. And I'm gonna put it under that cardstock. Wait. All right. So I'm just gonna let this sit there for about like 5 minutes. And then I'll show you how I pack my cards like this card. Now again, I'm packing my card because I'm selling it, but if you are gifting to someone, you don't have to do this part, just however you want to gift it. But if you want to sell something like this, you can also pack it, pack using this type of sleeves, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so it's not even 5 minutes and it's nice and done. So what I like to do is I put this on down on my table, the printed thing, and then I flip this one over. Okay, and I'm gonna use this type of sleeves. I'm gonna put the link down below just in case if anyone is interested packing their cards like this. So okay, so I have plastic sleeves like this. I usually just keep this like that so that it's just easier for me to just fold and pack. So I like to do it this way. I just put my card in here and just put it in the sleeve. Okay, Now you can also find the one that it's already you get the like a glue on this plastic. You just have to like peel it and just stick it. Mine is not like that, but I don't know if you may be interested in something like this or not, but I'll still put the link down below. Okay, and yeah, there you go, it's done. Okay, let me do with all my 4 cards. I made all 4 cards, so let me do that. Okay, so it's all right here. Make sure you fold it. Okay, so I'm just gonna tape all the back. I'm just gonna tape the back. Okay, so there you go, it's all done. Just have one more left. Okay, it's all done. So what do you think? Let me know about this. I hope you guys all have fun watching my video, and if you are interested getting my card, you can check out my website. I'm gonna put the link down below. But yeah, don't you think it's easy to make this type of card? Again, make sure you like this video if you like watching my video, and also subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching this. And yeah, I'll see you next time for another DIY or maybe a painting video. Take care. Bye.